my God, you ate it all up, like the pumpkin soup. Greetings, fellow chefs. Sorry it's been a while. I've been traveling, actually circumnavigated the globe. Hey Ozzy. Today we're going to be cooking squash or pumpkin soup. It's delicious. I know it's for autumn, but I feel like having it. Wandered around the supermarket and I found these beauties. We're going to turn these into serving bowls. Oh shit. And use this butternut squash to finish it. Let's get to it. The main ingredients to make this an exquisite dish are going to be the squash and a good quality bone broth. The base of any good soup is going to be a mirepoix of carrot, celery, and onion finely chopped. Then peel and scoop out any of the bad parts of the butternut squash you may find. You can cut out the tough part of the top of the decorative squash in a pentagram or hexagram shape, and then scoop out the insides. Then bake in a 350 Fahrenheit oven for about 40 minutes. I found a garlic press to be very useful. Press out about 10 cloves of garlic. Then with butter and oil, proceed to saute the mirepoix for about 10 minutes. Then add the diced squash. Then add the high quality chicken or bone broth. After adding the garlic, simmer the entire ensemble for about 20 minutes. After about 40 minutes, the oven-baked squash should be soft enough to scoop out any excess to add to the main soup. Then remove the main soup from the heat and blend with this hand mixer. Add heavy cream towards the end. Well, since I'm alone tonight, I'm going to be doing the moment of truth by myself. Let's see. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is why I don't go out to eat anymore. It's too good at home. Ozzy, do you want some? All right, moment of truth for Ozzy, since nobody else is around. Sit, lay. Good boy. Here. Oh my God, he loves the soup. Who's a good boy? Like the pumpkin soup? Thank you, Master. Thanks for watching, guys, to the end. I hope you enjoyed the making of pumpkin soup. It really nourishes the body and the soul. So tonight, I'm going to finish with a Glenmorangie Scotch, the Elementa, aged 14 years, and a Romeo Julieta Havoc cigar. Keep cooking until next time.